he's a hero, with a heart full of fire and a soul aglow. Shine on, he's got the magic, he's got the charm. Saddle up everyone, it's time to transform. Get ready for the ride of your life, ride of your life. Hold on tight, we're gonna reach for the sky. So amazing, he's leading the way. We're laughing, we're crying, catching dreams as we fly. Ready for the ride, let's go, let's go.
The Mystery of the Whispering Woods. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a little boy named Sir, his mom, his stepdad, and their loyal dog, Anubis. Sir had eyes full of curiosity, a heart brimming with adventure, and a spirit that yearned for discovery. His mom, a writer of tales and legends, had the wisdom of the ancients. His stepdad, a detective with a knack for solving the unsolvable, had a keen eye for detail. And Anubis, a dog with fur as black as the night and eyes that glowed like embers, had a nose for mystery. One sunny morning, Sir's mom announced, "We're going on an adventure across the country. We'll meet new people, see new places, and maybe, just maybe, solve a few mysteries." Sir's heart leaped with joy. An adventure with his family and Anubis was all he ever wanted. Their journey began with laughter and songs as they drove through bustling cities, quiet towns, and lonely roads that stretched like ribbons across the vast landscapes. Every place had a story, and every story led to a new adventure. Their first stop was the quaint town of Willow Creek, known for its beautiful willow trees that whispered secrets on the wind. The townsfolk spoke of a hidden treasure in the Whispering Woods, guarded by a ghost who scared away any who dared to search. Sir and his family decided to solve the mystery. With Anubis leading the way, they ventured into the woods. The willows whispered, the moon shone brightly, and a gentle breeze carried the scent of adventure. Suddenly, Anubis stopped and barked, leading them to an ancient tree with a hollow at its base. Inside, they found an old chest filled with books, not gold. The ghost was an old man named Mr. Jenkins, who confessed to scaring people away to protect the books, the last remnants of the town's first library. Sir and his family helped Mr. Jenkins restore the library, making new friends and leaving Willow Creek with the treasure of knowledge. Their next adventure took them to the seaside town of Coral Bay, where the legend of the singing mermaid awaited. Each night, a beautiful melody drifted from the sea, enchanting anyone who heard it. The townspeople feared a mermaid was luring their loved ones into the ocean, never to return. Sir's stepdad suggested they listen for the melody. That night, by the moonlit shore, they heard the song. Following the sound, they discovered not a mermaid, but a group of dolphins, singing in those waters, a natural wonder mistaken for a mermaid's call. The town celebrated the mystery's resolution with a festival by the sea, where Sir and his family were honored guests. They danced under the stars, surrounded by new friends and the joy of discovery. As they traveled from town to town, Sir and his family solved mysteries that brought communities together, uncovered hidden wonders, and shared countless moments of joy. From the mountains, where echoes told ancient tales, to the desert where stars revealed lost paths, every mystery solved was a memory made. And so, their journey became a tapestry of adventures, woven from the threads of courage, friendship, and the unbreakable bond of a family united by the thrill of discovery. Sir realized that the greatest treasure was not the mysteries they solved, but the time spent with his mom, his stepdad, and Anubis, exploring the endless possibilities of the world together. As the stars twinkled in the night sky, Sir, snug in his bed in their cozy mobile home, drifted to sleep, dreaming of the adventures that awaited. For he knew, as long as they were together, the mysteries of the world were theirs to unravel. And in the heart of every child who heard the tale of Sir and his family, the spirit of adventure was kindled, a reminder that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Their adventures did not end with the seas and the whispers. As the seasons changed, so did the landscapes they crossed, each with its own story, its own mystery waiting to be unraveled. Their next destination was the small, snow-covered town of Frostvale, nestled in the embrace of towering mountains. The town was famous for the legend of the Snow Guardian, a mysterious figure said to watch over the town during the harshest of winter storms, ensuring everyone's safety. As soon as they arrived, Sir and his family were greeted by a blanket of snow and the warm smiles of the townspeople. However, beneath the warmth, there was an undercurrent of worry. The Snow Guardian had not been seen for the first time in many winters, and the town felt unprotected against the looming storm. Sir, filled with determination, convinced his family to help solve the mystery of the missing Snow Guardian. They donned their warmest clothes, with Anubis excitedly leading the way, his breath forming little clouds in the cold air. Their search led them deep into the mountains where the snow whispered secrets and the wind sang ancient songs. It was Anubis who found the clue that broke the case wide open, a small hidden cave within which lay an old, injured wolf. The wolf wore a collar with a tag that read Guardian, and around the cave were tokens of gratitude from the townspeople, scarves, food, and drawings. The townspeople, upon learning the truth from Sir and his family, were filled with awe and gratitude. The Snow Guardian was not a mythical figure, but a real protector, a noble wolf who had watched over Frostvale for years. The town banded together to care for the Guardian, and as the storm passed, Frostvale was safe once more, its legend alive and well. Their journey continued, each stop revealing not just the mysteries of the towns, but also the depth of human kindness, the strength of community, and the unyielding bond of a family, on an adventure of a lifetime. The final chapter of their journey took them to the vibrant city of Starlight, known for its dazzling night skies and the mysterious lights that danced among the stars. The city was abuzz with theories about the lights. Were they messages from distant worlds or simply tricks of the light? Sir's curiosity was piqued, and with his family's support they embarked on a night of stargazing and investigation. It wasn't long before Sir's keen eyes and his stepdad's detective skills uncovered the truth. The lights were not from other worlds, but the result of a rare natural phenomenon, where crystals in the mountains reflected and refracted the city's lights, creating a spectacular show in the sky. The revelation brought the city together in wonder and celebration, with telescopes pointing to the heavens and people sharing stories and dreams under the canopy of the night sky. Sir and his family were celebrated as heroes who had not only solved the mystery, but had also reminded everyone to look up and marvel at the beauty of the world around them. As they journeyed home, their hearts full of memories and their minds buzzing with tales of adventure, Sir realized that the true mystery was not the legends or the myths, but the endless capacity for wonder, kindness, and love that lived in every person they met. Tucked in his bed with Anubis curled up at his feet, Sir whispered a promise into the night, a promise of more adventures, of more mysteries to solve, and of a world waiting to be explored, together as a family. And so, under a blanket of stars, with dreams of adventures yet to come, Sir drifted into sleep, his spirit soaring high among the wonders of the universe, forever in search of the next great mystery.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel, like and share. Peace.